How to use Glam app. So here is an app where you can just perfect your look. This is kind of Looks Maxing app, or you probably heard Umax app or Looks Max AI. But this app is mostly for girls, for women. Umax app is mostly for guys. However, in this app you can also use it also for guys. But yeah, mostly it's for women. The idea is that you can just like scan your face and get AI recommendations of your face. So there are different features which you can use, like color analysis will help you find your color season and part of your colors for makeup. Facial analysis scan will help you find your face shape, eye shape, skin tone, and all your facial features, as well as celebrity lookalikes, step-by-step makeup routines, and product recommendation tailored just for you. If you have any ideas, you can just what it is. And yeah, you really need to know that with this app doesn't offer any medical advice. Recommendations should only be viewed as suggestions. Please consult with a professional and do your own research before doing something new. And that's the idea. And then you can just open up the app and you just create an account, and this is how it looks like. So there are three main features: color analysis, find your color season, and your perfect color. So like for girls, for makeup, that's how you can do it. And then you can just upload your photo. Look straight on the camera, use good lighting, don't use any filters, don't wear hats or glasses, don't cover up your face, bangs too. So here you can see the idea how it looks like. And then you can just upload a photo. So for example, here let's just take a look, just as an example. And then you just continue. This is just what you would do here. And then you can just view results. And then unfortunately you need to upgrade. So upgrade is $13 per week if you want to get 4 scans. If you want to get 1 scan, that's $9. That's pretty expensive. So as you can see, so $9 per week, 2 scans weekly, that's 11, and then 4 scans weekly, that's $13. And then that's what it is. Then they have a 50% discount. So basically, if you want to have 50% discount, if you just basically close this pop-up window, you will get a 50% discount. So that's a nice little trick for you. So get it. So that's the idea. And then you just can get it like 4 scans weekly for $6.49. So that's what you have. And then you just have your characteristic undertone, face shape, skin tone, contrast. And then you can also tap to invite 3 friends. So this is pretty cool feature. If you have friends that might use your code, just share this code. Feel free to use my code as well. So it's like 7L2NKN. And then that's basically then you're getting scans. I don't know how many free scans you will get, but you just get them. And that's basically what it is. So then you just get in scans. Again, if you have some nice Twitter following, YouTube following, whatever, you can just share it to your friends and they enter this code and you will get a free scan in this app. That's the idea basically here. Unfortunately, there is no free option. You can also, like here, you can, if you want to view the results, then you just go and you can delete the scan. If you delete the scan, it doesn't help you out. You still need to upgrade. And then you have scans, and that's what it is. So basically, again, you just have color analysis. See yourself glowed up and get a guide, and also you have facial analysis and makeup recommendations. So you can get some nice makeup recommendations, like which kind of makeup you should wear, and some additional face scanning. That's the idea basically. Again, here you can always reach out to their support, contact glamup.ai, and that's basically it. So it's one of the best apps out there for girls to look smacks, to like use AI. Again, this is just only AI model. This is not like professional doctor advice, so you should be quite careful. um, and a lot of people, a lot of teenagers do some crazy things based on these apps. They start to completely change their face. They do using a lot of crazy things, a lot of completely different hairstyles just to get a nice score in these kind of apps. So I wouldn't recommend you to go on that path, because this is just an AI model. You don't know how precise is it. Maybe just a bit different angle of a photo can produce completely different results. Who knows? Um, so here you can see some reviews. Uh, so here a lot of people just a bit annoyed that it costs money, overpaid for only 4 scans in 1 week, and every single one came out distorted. It was absolutely no help at all. Have to pay for everything. So that's just the thing here, that yeah, you need to pay for it. Yeah, people are quite unhappy. People would actually like when this app, and at least you have some basic result for free, and then if you want to see advanced results, then you need to pay. This is the way it works in Umax app or LuxMax, that you kind of get your results, but if you want to see additional recommendations, only then you need to pay. So in this app, unfortunately, you need to pay right away. So here, yeah, you see here some people who pay for it. Yeah, they actually, uh, yeah, they actually, that's what it is. So yeah, that's what it is. That's the idea. And as you can see, there you have it. That's the app. There are a bunch of other copycats. Probably there will be some free apps as well. If you just search, there is like Glam AI. Maybe there is. This is free. Maybe this is not the one. So there's Glam AI. That's not the one. Glam up. So not that many for guys. There are a lot of these apps out there. I don't know why, but yeah, there are also like Glow AI app which you can use. Glow AI Beauty Coach. So, but some of these apps are actually not that good quality. So yeah, I think this is the best app right now for girls. So yeah, go give it a try.